Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Martha and today I'm back with a soft glam makeup tutorial. If you're new here, kindly don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, this was my before. I'm going to start off with a spoolie. If you don't have it, you can use a toothbrush in order to put my eyebrows in shape. And I'm going to go on with an eye pencil in order to line my eyebrows or to draw them. To use the back of your eye pencil in order to work on the inner corner of your eyebrows. Concealer, I'm going to use one from the Atticus in order to clean my eyebrows. To do this job using a flat brush. The inner corner of my eyebrows, I'm going to go on with the foundation. That's from the BB Plus. The reason as to why we use foundation is because it will be easy when you're blending after. I'm going to use the same foundation at the upper part of my eyebrows. On with one of my brushes in order to remove the excess concealer and foundation. Using the Sasha Buttercup setting powder is the one I'm going to use to set my eyelids in order to make an eyeshadow base. I'm going to use one from the Full Paste and I'm going to use that shade as my transitional shade. From the outer corner going to the inner corner. I'm going to go on with that dark brown shade at the outer corner of my eyelids. So with that black shade still at the outer corner of the eyelids. Cut crease, I'm going to go on with concealer. With a white shade eyeshadow, still from the Full Paste. The Kiss Beauty eyeliner in order to line my eyelids. Heavy mascara in order to add more volume to my eyelashes. So with the face, I'm going to start off with cleaning it using a face wipe. Go on and prime it using the Clarity Makeup Primer. Foundation, I'm still going to go on with the BB Plus in the shade number 3. Go on with the beauty blender in order to blend it very well. Go on with the foundation brush in order to blend everything very well. So with highlighting, I'm going to go on with the Atticus concealer to use a concealer at least 2 shades lighter than your skin with the T-zone areas. My beauty blender, I'm going to go on and blend the concealer very well. Those harsh lines, I'm going to go on with my foundation brush. The Sacha Buttercup setting powder in order to set my Sacha Buttercup setting powder in order to bake. On with my MAC powder in order to contour with under the cheeks and upper forehead. Powder here should be darker than your skin, that's 2 shades are darker. Job using my angled brush. Same powder in order to contour my nose. On and remove the excess powder. Give my makeup a smooth look. I'm going to go on with my finishing powder from the Black Opal in shade number 3, the one I'm going to use to do a reverse contour. On and line my lower eyelid. Go on with still with the KV mascara in order to add more volume to my lower eyelashes. In order to add more warmth to my cheeks, I'm going to go on with my Vivid brusher and with that shade. Powder, I'm going to use one from the LA Girl. With this Davis lip pencil in order to line my lips. The nude shade from the My Color lipstick. I'm going to go on and add some lip gloss. I'm going to go on with the Favorn. Final look. Let me know if you will try it out one day. Let me know if you liked it, and yeah, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye bye.